Welcome back to another episode of Hidden Wonders of Nature. Today we're diving into the world of low-calorie foods. Yes, that's right, folks. We'll be exploring 21 delicious and guilt-free options that'll keep your taste buds happy and your waistline in check. So, grab a pen and paper because you won't want to miss these tasty treats. Let's get started. Our first low-calorie wonder is none other than the mighty cucumber. This refreshing veggie is the ultimate summer snack. Not only does it have a mere 16 calories per cup, but it's also packed with water, keeping you hydrated and feeling full. Plus, cucumbers are like natural breath mints, so you can enjoy them guilt-free and worry less about dragon breath. Moving on to number 2, we have the lovely zucchini. This versatile veggie is a fantastic substitute for high-calorie pasta. With just 20 calories per cup, you can enjoy a hearty bowl of zucchini noodles without worrying about your waistline expanding. It's the closest thing we have to a magic wand that turns pasta into a guilt-free delight. Ah, the sweet and juicy watermelon. This fruit is not only a refreshing summer staple but also a low-calorie powerhouse. A generous slice of watermelon contains only 46 calories, making it the perfect guilt-free indulgence. It's like taking a sweet, refreshing vacation without leaving your kitchen. Now, let's talk about berries. From strawberries to blueberries, these little bursts of flavor are low in calories and high in antioxidants. Take blueberries, for example. A cup of these tiny dynamos has only 84 calories, making them a guilt-free snack that packs a nutritional punch. They're like the tiny superheroes of the fruit world. Alright, folks, brace yourselves for the incredible cauliflower. This versatile vegetable can be transformed into pizza crust, rice, or even mashed potatoes. With just 25 calories per cup, you can enjoy all the comfort of your favorite dishes without the calorie overload. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Well, cauliflower cake, that is. Say hello to the lean and mean turkey breast. This high-protein meat option is not only low in calories but also a great source of essential nutrients. With around 130 calories per 3-ounce serving, you can satisfy your carnivorous cravings without feeling guilty. It's like winning the lottery and finding out you won a year's supply of turkey sandwiches. Let's spice things up with number 7, the fiery jalapeno pepper. These little devils not only add a kick to your dishes but also boost your metabolism. With only 4 calories per pepper, they'll turn up the heat without expanding your waistline. Just remember, if you can't handle the heat, don't get anywhere near the jalapenos, unless you have a fire extinguisher handy. Ah, the delightful grapefruit. This citrus fruit is a nutritional powerhouse, boasting just 52 calories per medium-sized fruit. Packed with vitamin C and fiber, it's like a tangy superhero that fights off colds and helps you stay full. Just be careful when you eat it. Grapefruits have a way of squirting juice in your eye when you least expect it. Get ready for number 9, because we're about to take a tropical detour to the land of pineapples. This sweet and tangy fruit not only transports your taste buds to a sunny paradise but also keeps your calorie intake in check. With approximately 82 calories per cup, you can enjoy this juicy treat guilt-free. It's like having a mini beach vacation right in your mouth. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to enter the realm of leafy greens with number 10, spinach. Popeye knew what he was talking about when he chowed down on this superfood. Packed with iron, vitamins, and minerals, spinach offers a mere 7 calories per cup. It's the closest thing we have to a vegetable superhero, giving you strength and nutrition without any extra baggage. Who doesn't love a creamy and satisfying snack? Well, number 11 on our list is the champion of guilt-free indulgence, Greek yogurt. With only 100 calories per 6-ounce serving, Greek yogurt is packed with protein and gut-friendly probiotics. It's like finding a pot of gold at the end of a health-conscious rainbow, minus the calories. Are you ready for a fiesta in your mouth? Get ready for number 12, salsa. This vibrant and zesty condiment is low in calories and high in flavor. With just 15 calories per 2 tablespoons, you can scoop up this tangy delight without worrying about your calorie count. It's like a dance party for your taste buds, with salsa leading the way. Time to switch gears to the world of seafood with number 13, shrimp. These little crustaceans are not only delicious but also a fantastic low-calorie protein option. With approximately 84 calories in a 3-ounce serving, you can enjoy shrimp cocktail or stir-fries without sinking your diet. It's like having a seafood feast without having to hire a personal chef. Let's turn up the heat with number 14, hot peppers. From habaneros to ghost peppers, these fiery wonders not only add a spicy kick to your meals but also rev up your metabolism. With just a few calories per pepper, they're like a turbo boost for your taste buds and your calorie-burning engine. Just be prepared for the inevitable, spicy dance, after taking a bite. Are you a fan of pasta but dread the calorie overload? Fear not, because number 15 on our list is spaghetti squash. This magical vegetable transforms into noodle-like strands when cooked, offering a guilt-free alternative to traditional pasta. With only 42 calories per cup, you can twirl your fork with joy and savor the flavor without any guilt. It's like a low-calorie pasta fairy granting your food wishes. Brace yourselves for the incredible mushroom. These fungi not only add a unique flavor to dishes but also come with a low-calorie price tag. With around 20 to 30 calories per cup, mushrooms are a fantastic addition to stir-fries, omelets, or even grilled as a meaty alternative. It's like having a taste of the forest without having to wrestle with any woodland creatures. Get ready for a burst of sweetness with number 17, mangoes. These tropical fruits are not only delicious but also low in calories. With approximately 150 calories per medium-sized fruit, you can enjoy the juicy, vibrant flavors without worrying about overindulging. It's like having a taste of paradise in every bite, minus the guilt trip. If you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family who might be interested in discovering these delicious and guilt-free foods. Let's get back to the video. Let's talk about a crunchy and satisfying snack, popcorn. Number 18 on our list is a movie night favorite that won't break the calorie bank. With only 31 calories per cup, air-popped popcorn is a guilt-free way to satisfy your cravings. Just be careful not to get too carried away and accidentally launch kernels into the air like confetti during a celebration. Looking for a low-calorie beverage option? Look no further than number 19, green tea. This ancient elixir not only offers a myriad of health benefits but also comes with minimal calories. A cup of green tea contains only about 2 calories, making it the perfect way to hydrate and unwind without worrying about your waistline. It's like sipping on liquid zen while giving your metabolism a gentle nudge. Get ready to pucker up for our 20th wonder, lemons. These citrus fruits may be sour, but they're definitely sweet when it comes to calories. With just 17 calories per medium-sized fruit, lemons are the ultimate low-calorie flavor enhancer. Whether you're squeezing them into your water or using them to brighten up your dishes, lemons are like a zesty burst of sunshine in every bite. Last but certainly not least, we have number 21, the mighty egg white. This protein-packed powerhouse is the go-to option for those looking to keep calories in check. With a mere 17 calories per egg white, you can enjoy the nutritional benefits without worrying about excess fats or cholesterol. It's like having a protein-rich secret weapon in your culinary arsenal. And there you have it, folks. 21 low-calorie wonders that will tantalize your taste buds without expanding your waistline. From refreshing fruits to versatile veggies and flavorful spices, there's no shortage of guilt-free options to explore. Remember, eating healthy doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or enjoyment. So, next time you're on the hunt for a low-calorie treat, give these hidden wonders of nature a try. The information provided in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. While we strive to provide accurate and up-to-date information, the content presented should not be considered as professional advice. It's important to consult with a qualified expert before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Thank you for watching another Hidden Wonders of Nature. Stay curious, stay healthy, and until next time, keep exploring the delicious and nutritious side of life.